Well, my timing cover gasket and oil seals have arrived for the Series 2 Interceptor, Royal Enfield 750, and I'm going to crack on and get it sorted. I've got the points, backplate and condensers and associated wiring removed because I'm going to put this in the oven and I'm going to get it heated up to probably quite a lot hotter than it would normally get under normal running circumstances to loosen the fit, because I've got the proper steel backed oil seal I was talking about there. And out of interest, this is the one that I found loose that had come out. It's about half the thickness of the steel backed one, and obviously it's rubber backed as well. And these, obviously when the engine warms up, the rubber gets warm and softens and it loses its grip. And of course, as well as being about half the width of the steel backed one, it hasn't got such a great hold, and it inevitably found its way out. Now, I've had one or two comments on videos I've already made leading up to this, and I have actually rebuilt quite a few Interceptor and Series 2 Interceptor engines, and one I actually had to rebuild twice, thanks to a rubber backed seal like this, but of the correct thickness, which was sent to me when I ordered one from a supplier of Royal Enfield parts. Rebuilt the engine, the guy paid up, collected his engine, put it in the bike, started it up, did a few miles and got a seized big end. And that was because the rubber backed seal had blown out. Needless to say, all hell broke loose, and this guy was quite a big wig in the Royal Enfield Owners Club as well, and the engine came back and I rebuilt it again. No one pointed the finger at me, I didn't know, and I just fitted what I was supplied by, like I say, a Royal Enfield parts supplier. So we did a bit of research, me and the owner, and found that the original fitment was indeed a steel backed one. So we scoured sources available and got a steel backed one, and I'm pleased to say that after that the engine gave no trouble. There's various sort of theories as what you might be able to do to hold the seal in, ranging from drilling holes to put lock wire through and whatever. Now, I don't really see an easy way of drilling side on through that lot. Maybe I'm missing something. But what I'm going to do, the other one is, of course, a few centre punch marks, but obviously you don't want any down there. Otherwise you're going to interfere with where the oil pump drive spindle fits through. But you go from about maybe 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock and 12 o'clock, something like that. I might do that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this stuff. Now the name has long faded off this. It's something that I actually bought in a local sort of boot sale type thing. And I've got to say, it is incredibly strong stuff. It's bearing fitting compound that I remember using once, and then found out that I had to remove the bearing that I just fitted for some reason or other, and it was a hell of a job to get that bearing off, really. I had to use all my strongest swear words and lots of heat and lots of effort. So I'm going to smear some of this stuff around there and around the steel backing of the seal. This will be baking hot, and I bet I'll still have to drive this in, and I'll be pretty confident in the knowledge that this thing's not going to come out again. I'll also, like I say, I'll probably put about 3 punch marks in as well, just for a bit of added security. But I think that this will be fitted and can be forgotten once it is fitted. I don't think it's going to be a problem, especially with this stuff helping out as well. So my next move is get this timing cover into the oven. That's another rubber backed seal I'll be changing. That's just for the points, to stop oil getting into the points from the timing side. But I'll change that one as well, because I noticed a bit of oiliness in here when I took the outer cover off, so might as well deal with that one as well. And then fit the new gasket, put the oil pump components back in, put the points components back in, and put the timing cover back on the engine, and we should be back in business again with full oil feed and pressure to the crankshaft and the big ends once more.